Ladies and gentlemen, and all the badasses out there, welcome to my channel. It's time to buckle up and grab your favorite popcorn and get ready for some epic content that will blow your mind. From tech and marketing to sales and growth hacking, I've got you covered with tips and tricks that will take your game to the next level. My name is Judah, and I am here to take you on a wild ride that you will never forget. So if you're ready to level up your game, buckle up, grab some popcorn, and get ready for tips that will leave you breathless. Hey folks, are you tired of feeling like a desperate salesperson when clients pushes back on your offer? Most especially when they push back on your offers? Well, fear not, because I'm here to share with you my 7 steps to defend your offer without sounding like a needy salesperson. First up, forget about offering discounts. Instead, ramp up your deliverables. It's not about reducing your value, it's about showing your clients that you are willing to go above and beyond to meet their needs. Offer them an extra blog or 2 and watch as they swoon over your awesomeness. Next is case studies. Case studies are your new best friend. Trust me, you need them. Clients don't just buy from people they like. They buy when they value your offer and believe in your ability to deliver. So provide them with more case studies to gain their trust. If you don't have any, don't sweat it. Just borrow some. And no, I don't mean stealing them. I mean find some relevant case studies online and use them to your advantage. Or just partner with someone that already has a case study. Now let's talk about ROI. You've gained their trust already, so it's time to make them value your offer. Now remind them of the investment they are making and the money and time they will be saving by making that investment. This will make you look like a total rock star, and who doesn't want that? Are you feeling the heat of competition, or probably you feel your niche is filled with competition or competitors? Well, create some urgencies. You can either limit the number of spots available or hike up your price, but make sure you are not coming across as a fake, because nobody likes a phony salesperson, a phony service provider. Additionally, reduce their risks by offering a money-back guarantee. Now, this doesn't work on every offers, but make sure that if your offer support it, you do this. Money-back guarantee or early cancellation. Offer them something like this. And if that's not enough, you can also offer a split payment option. It will make them feel more comfortable and less pressured to pay everything upfront. Now, if none of the above steps I've stated, or none of the above topics I've spoken about, don't fear, don't fret. Come with me and listen. You can always downsell them to a starting level service. Push your no-brainer offer, bring them results, and stack up services over time. It's a win-win situation, trust me. Last but not least, if a client is negotiating too aggressively, be prepared to walk away. Now, don't offer heavy discounts or free work. Nah, your time is too valuable for that. Move on to the next prospects and don't look back. Remember, even the best price can't sell a crappy offer. It's the real deal, folks. Make sure your offer is actually worthy and worth it. Worth their pain point, worth everything they're passing through before you can sell this to them. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more valuable content, and until next time, keep crushing it.